Hey guys, just now I came back from village. So in morning I can't make vlog because I was so hurry and that's why I can't make vlog. So now I just came back some time ago. So okay, just time is up for going to tuition, and I have so many tasks which are pending, so which I want to complete. And okay, so I am in hurry now. So when we will come back from tuition, we'll continue my blog, and whatever I have work I'll complete. So okay, now I'm good. Yes, I just came back from tuition, so now first of all I'll complete my regular task, and I want to do study because uh, just one day and left, and after one day I have exam. So I did study but not properly. So okay, first of all we'll complete meditation. Let's go. So guys, some time ago I had decided to do meditation, but my room is getting so much warm, so that's why I'll do uh, half an hour. So and also I can't do meditation due to work is going on in my home, uh, due to rainwater is coming inside in the at home. So that's why you can see here the boundaries making here for the stop rain rainwater will not rainwater don't want to come inside. So okay, so until this work will complete, will do another work. So we'll continue our vocabulary, and after that before meal we'll complete the meditation. And guys, now meditation in the evening is not possible, so that due to room is getting so much warm. So we'll taking one challenge. So every day we'll wake up at 5. So from tomorrow, um, I'm taking one challenge. Okay, so now I'm going to do vocabulary. So let's go. So guys, some time ago I took a nap, but due to this uh, went to I went to sleep. So since I went to sleep, it been 1 hour. So now it's 10. So okay, I did not complete it. Still, I did not complete meditation. So now I am going to complete. I thought like I am today I'll skip for meditation, but I can't. So my buds are on charge. So after this, after 5 minutes, I'll do meditation, and then I'll go for it. And remaining work is also pending, so I want to complete them. But I think it will not completed because I want to wake up early in the morning. So as soon as possible I'll complete my uh, regular work and task. Then I'll go for sleep, I'll go for bed, and after that, okay, we'll see if it possible, then we'll complete studies. So first of all we'll complete the meditation. Okay, that's it. So guys, when I wake up sometime ago when I wake up, I feel like I'll not do anything and just having meal and go for the bed. But I thought like uh, uh, how much days I do this, and just for one day it will not okay. So and my inner voice says that just you want to do just meditation and just completing your blog and just enough. So okay, that's why I'm not taking so much challenges. But from tomorrow, um, and whatever will and no- not whatever it is, just I want to do, and wake up every day at 5. If I am sleep 4 or 3 4 whole night, if I not sleep, but I want to wake up at 5 and just I'll do meditation. So okay, now my buds have charge, so now I am going to do meditation, and after that I'll have meal. So guys, still I did not completed and did not improve my speaking due to vocabulary. And when I says that I'll do vocabulary, but at that time, after some time, I just ignore that and can't complete. So okay, first of all, complete my regular task. That's it. So guys, I just did meditation. So now, first of all, I'll have meal, and then after having meal, I'll start my blog again. So let's go and have meal. So guys, I just had meal. So now I am going for walk, and after came back from walk, I'll just sleep because I want to wake up early in the morning. And every day I say that I wake up, but no any day that day I was wake up. So okay, but now I'll follow discipline from tomorrow. So now I'm going to for walk, and after that I'll sleep. Okay, that's it. So guys, while walking, I'll complete my regular task, that is I'll upload my video. And okay, so that's it for today's blog. I'm ending this blog here. Okay, we'll meet another. Bye bye.